Hi guys, in fact, body dey sweet me. Don't mind my hair. So guys, today something happened for over how many days now? I be months, I be years. I don't have blender, but today I want you guys to follow me and unbox my blender. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh my God! So guys, follow me. Let's unbox this together. In fact, I'm so happy now. Don't mind my kitchen, no. Na trenches, yes, na trenches. So don't mind me, okay? So that happiness where you want to, you know, when you finally get what you have always wanted. Our light day okay, everything day okay. Na just this blender. Sometimes light go there, I go just carry tomato dey waka for street go blend. You know that feeling now, my fellow women. So I have to make it a bit faster. Let me just make it more speed. Okay, do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? The name is it Excella? So this is my first time of seeing this type of blender though in real life. So the person said it to me. I say I'll give it a try. Hope you can blend coconut, all this type of a thing. They say yes. I say okay, no problem. So finally get it to, and as I'm seeing it, in fact, I see it as something that will last long. Yes. So if you don't use them before, no mind though, just comment please or make I know whether na lasting thing I really know the last before I go start to the use them. So let me make it more faster, okay? So guys, as I'm bringing it out one after the other, the first one I brought out is the medium, and this is the big. And you know now, that is the book there. I'll bring out everything. This is the engine. So this is just like sewing machine. I'm surprised though. This thing, I think maybe the thing they use and tie it and be tightening things. So let me open the engine. Let's see what it got. So I can see something like stabilizer head there. I said now wow. So now I don't they bring it out. This is the small one. This is the small one. So that one is for blending dry thing. This is the big one. Yes, this one have the cover. So this is the medium size. This one is just, I think it's a mixer because that mouth is not that sharp. But I love it. As it's that stainless, in fact, that one said I they give me joy pass because things they normally break for my hand. But this one don't go break. Oh, so must last in Jesus' name. So that is the unboxing. I'm so happy. In fact, the book, I can't carry the book, say, make I read small thing. As I won't read though, but I can't remember, say, one acre, sure you go school. What you want read? Along the line, my baby carry mop, come the mop kitchen, say, you want mop kitchen. My small baby of 24 months to 24 months now, yes, that is 2 years. Na im wan phone my phone down, I come dey para for am. Allow me make I read dis book na, allow me make I read dis book. You know say I no go school. So dis is me trying to read wetin dey write. Waneka, shey you go school? I need interpreter oo. I no go school oo. So I come dey look. Dis is why I dey look. I wan see the difference between the three sets, because I heard someone saying that that medium one is for blending like coconut, but after I look am, I see the inside, I no see am as something wey fit blend coconut. So I come look na the big one, na im get that 6 mouth wey sharp. So guys, as I come look again, one naked Afukuzo, wetin happen now? Na wow. Anybody wey go school wey don use am before, make the person tell me say, see as you go use am, see as you no go use am oo, because see me now, I come dey check all their mouth, I dey like to confirm thing oo. Dis one is fit already, dis one fit already, dis one too everything fit. Dis small one dey scatter my head. that small one dey scatter my hair. So you know na when I don dey snap, na picture dey snap so. Eh, you see that? Eh. What a happy soul. Anika is so happy. Eh. Mm. So that is the end. Thank you for watching. Bye.